In order to scan some surface such as too dark or very reflective like this shiny metal part, or transparent like made of glass or acrylic, you need to scan spray it first before you go scanning. But let's see if we scan it without scan spray, what's going to happen. So first is this transparent stuff, and I barely cannot capture anything of it. No chance. Just totally empty there. Okay, let's try this reflective metal part here. Oh, actually it can capture a little bit, but it's very unstable. And I believe it could highly possibly cause losing track. No, cannot capture the other area. Very hard. Okay, and you have seen in the previous video this black lion, it can capture part of it, but it'll have a lot of holes and empty spaces in the 3D model. That's also because this line is not that only dark, it's also very reflective on the back area. So in order to deal with that, we need to change the surface, the material of the object, which is apply some scan spray on it. In order to successfully scan something like too dark or very reflective like this metal part here, or transparent stuff like made of glass or acrylic, you need to scan spray the surface first before you go scanning. And here is something I strongly recommend. This is AE Sub, very good stuff, professional 3D scanning spray. If you need more information, you can go to their website. Brand name is AE Sub. Okay, what you do is you just shake it and you evenly scan spray the surface. And another thing I also recommend is homemade scan spray. So this is my favorite, it's baby powder. So what you do is just like put baby powder on a baby, you just put it on the surface of your object. But it's not as good as AE Sub. As you can see, it has a lot of residues, you need to clean it. And it's not that even, but it's acceptable and it's much cheaper than AE Sub, and also it smells not that bad. And another thing about AE Sub is you don't really need to clean it, do anything, it evaporates itself. So you just scan spray it and scan it and forget that. And I think the different color in the caps means the different evaporation time. I think this is like 4 hours and this is like 12 hours. You can even find like 40 minutes, a lot of those. Okay, now I'm in the basement. Let me show you how to properly scan something with AE Sub. So first you should shake it and point to the object, but not too close or too far, or you're gonna create an unevenly surface, like somewhere it's too thick or somewhere it's too thin. And when you're spraying, just move around quickly. Okay, and remember, wear a mask because it's really kind of smelly. Okay, so that's how you create an evenly surface with AE Sub. Pretty handy, right? But here I want to point out something is, if something just like this metal part that needs scan spray and marker dots at the same time, and it's better to scan spray it first, then put some marker dots on it. Because look, this is what's going to happen. If this is a wrong example, I put marker dots on it first and I scan spray it. Let's see what's going to happen. And see, as a result, some of the marker dots will be covered by scan spray, which cannot be captured by the scanner under marker mode. See? So not a good idea. And here, there is another advantage to put scan spray on it first, then apply some marker dots on it. That is, look. And now if you want to take it off after scanning, it's going to be very easy. Look, just come off like that. And if not, look, this is what happened if I put marker dots on it first, then scan, spray it. It's become very tight, so not that easy to take off, right?